Do you feel like you barely have time to breathe, let alone to draw? If so, you're not alone. With work, school, family, and maybe even a social life, or lack thereof, any opportunity to improve your art skills can seem lost in the rush of daily life. But here's the thing. You can practice art even with a packed schedule. Here are some clever tricks that will help you turn fleeting moments into precious drawing opportunities. You don't need to be a time management master, just a bit of creativity and some handy tips. By the way, if you're tired of drawing and feeling like nothing is improving, pay attention. Marc Brunet's Art School for Digital Artists was what pulled my drawings out of stagnation and gave me an insane boost. It's like going through an art school, but for a fraction of the price and only with what really matters: perspective, anatomy, color, composition, and much more, all explained step by step, from beginner to advanced. It is, by far, the best and most complete art course on the market. Don't waste time stuck at the same level. The link's in the description. Check it out now. Let's get back to the video. Use every second to your advantage. First, understand this. Even the busiest artists have hidden micro moments throughout the day. Those few minutes waiting for the bus, or those moments before a meeting. Instead of scrolling through your phone, these can become small practice sessions. Turning these brief intervals productive is key. It might seem small, but these daily minutes can add up to precious hours of practice by the end of the month. Another powerful trick is what I call lightning sketches. Set a timer for 1-2 minutes and try to sketch a simple figure or object, like a face, hand, or animal. This quick practice will help you develop your line work, precision, and confidence. No pressure, just you, your paper, and a timer. Take your art everywhere you go. Having art materials that are easy to carry is essential. Want to know the secret? Create a portable art kit. You don't need much, just a pocket-sized notebook, a pen, and maybe a pencil. Simple tools you can carry in your bag or even in a coat pocket. With this kit, any moment of the day can become a chance to practice. It's not only practical but also keeps your mind in a creative mode constantly. And this kit is so discreet you can use it without looking like you're creating a masterpiece. It's just a little fun in your day. And if you work on a computer or tablet, use those breaks between tasks to open a drawing app and make some digital sketches. Some apps are super light and work on almost any phone, so there's no excuse. Remember, it's not about completing a full piece, but about practicing and maintaining the habit of drawing. Mental drawing. Sketch in your mind. Believe it or not, you can improve your art skills without even picking up a pencil. This is called mental drawing, a great exercise for those who have no time. Here's how it works. Close your eyes for a few seconds and imagine an object or scene in detail as if you were drawing it in your mind. Visualize the lines, volumes, and even the shadows. It might sound strange, but this technique can really improve your visual perception and planning skills. When you get a chance to draw on paper, you'll notice that mental practice makes a difference. This type of exercise stimulates brain areas linked to creativity and focus, making your actual practice easier and more natural. Make drawing part of your routine. If the idea of finding extra time still seems impossible, how about turning your routine into a form of practice? That moment to relax after a meeting or class? Try spending a minute doing a quick sketch of the environment. Or while watching something on TV, try sketching what you see. For example, you could create a personal challenge. Every day, spend 5 minutes sketching whatever is around you. This helps develop your artistic eye and is a light practice that fits into the busiest routines. Plus, sketching everyday objects helps build a consistent habit without needing extensive preparation or tools. Draw with purpose. Set mini goals. It's easy to get lost when time is short and you're unsure what to draw. That's why setting mini goals can help you stay focused. Instead of aiming for a complex illustration, set a small goal. It could be as simple as, today I'll draw 5 hands in 5 minutes, or I'll sketch facial expressions. Mini goals give purpose to what you're doing and help keep you motivated, as each goal is quick and achievable. Try even creating a list of weekly mini goals. This list will serve as a guide to help you stay on track. And the best part, every time you check an item off the list, you'll feel like you're making progress, even with little time available. This sense of progress is crucial for staying motivated. Don't focus on the final result. Now, an important point, let go of perfectionism. When time is limited, the final quality of the drawing matters least. In these quick practice sessions, what you're training is skill, line work, quick observation, and creative flow. Don't worry about making a masterpiece. The goal is to practice as much as you can without judgment. The truth is, Perfectionism can be an artist's worst enemy, especially when time is scarce. Remember, a simple sketch is worth much more than a great idea that stayed in your head and never made it onto paper. Let go and enjoy the process without pressure. Learn from what's already available. Use digital resources. Use digital resources to your advantage. There are tons of quick drawing videos, short tutorials, and sketching challenges that you can follow. Why not use those 5 minutes of waiting in line to watch a new technique or trick to help you next time you pick up a pencil? Or even photograph an interesting scene and later try drawing it from memory. Additionally, platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are full of references and inspiration to keep you motivated to create something in those spare moments. You can even create a quick reference folder that's easy to access anywhere, with images and ideas you'd like to sketch when you get a free moment. So remember that excuse, "I don't have time to draw"? Leave it behind. With these tips, you now have several ways to fit drawing into your routine, no matter how busy it is. Remember that every minute counts, and the important thing is to keep the habit alive. Even just 5 minutes a day will add up and make a big difference over time. After all, practice is what leads to improvement, and every little sketch you make is a step in the right direction. So grab your pencil and start. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check the description. There are several important links that can help you even more. See you in the next video.